Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and this is a great example, bluemountain.com for web design, chapter 9, flash, video, animation. We're just going to write Luca's name right here. Let's preview it. Enjoy the card.
Party people! Yeah! Your birthday is in full effect, and it goes like this. Hey, yo, this one's for you. We're gonna celebrate. It's what we do. You deserve a big cheer. Let's hear some noise. Hip, hip, hooray. Jump, jump, rejoice. High five over here. Fist bump over there. Wave your hands in the air. Shake it, dairy, yeah. We can yell. Happy birthday. There's a better way to say it. Whoop. There it is. Hit it. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
I love how you can personalize it. I wish this website was free for teachers, but it's not. You can join. I don't know how much it is, but I think you can also send one or two free ones. So that was a good example. Hope you like this website. Till next time. Bye-bye.